welcome back. It's Tracy here from Dance UK. This week in class we did the track The Business. So there's 4 sections. First section is slow, which is handy. And we go step, kick, step, step, and then roll it down, down. Step, kick, step, back, and roll, 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 roll. Then it goes slow motion. Point down, point down, point down, point down. Arms, arms, legs, up, down, 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 down. Arms, arms, legs, up. That is section 1 and section 2, but when it gets into the main body of the song, we do it much faster. So let's do it to speed as well. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. You do that 4 times, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do that 4 times. So that's section 1 and 2. Section 3, you go swimming, swimming, push back, step, step, step to change to the other side. Swim, swim, slide back, step, 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 swim, swim, slide, step, 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 swim, swim, slide, step, step, step. So that is section 3. Last section to go. We got an arm section. So we go step out, open, up, and then down. So the arms cross, they are open, they are up, and they are down. And the first couple of times you do it is slow like that, and then you do it with a bit of an accent. So it goes ba, out, up, down, and cross, open, up, down. So you make it hard. That's section 4. So now you have got all the moves that we've learned today to do the business. Hope to see you in class soon. Take care for now.